Yes, here you go, Sagar. This is the rapid fire round, and you already know about it. You attended many of our sessions.
Uh-huh.
Brace yourself to watch your pictures and answer some of the questions.
Okay, sure,
So,
sure.
yeah.
Yeah. I hope these are not tough ones.
So, rapid fire with Killer Kinja.
Oh my God.
So, why is Killer? I don't know, but yeah. And by the way, the right, you can know, you know where these photos are from.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah,
can
I
you give
think
a brief to audience also?
yeah, so I think these are the from the events of scale, you right?
Yes.
Yeah. So on the right side, that is the event. I think the moment which was captured when we landed to Vijayawada, and
Airport.
yeah, Vijayawada airport, right? And we met a lot of amazing students of KLU who actually gave us those special gifts, and I still have it. I think it's in the different room. And on the left side, that was the moment when the first day when we went in, and then we were the part of the initial keynote. Yeah, I remember, man. I do have that memory. So the
So developers also remember.
yeah,
I'm just kidding.
yeah, we forget our own code sometimes.
Oh, sorry, sir. I'm just kidding. But yeah, you are
That
really a core developer. Sagar.
that happens with everyone.
Yeah, that happens with everyone nowadays. Yep,
So we have
really
to
tough.
comment that also, like, yeah, I have written this code.
Sometimes you appreciate yourself then, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Uh,
So
Okay,
this is the
Sagar.
ticket
Yeah,
ID. Yeah, please go ahead. Sachin.
yeah. Suresh, and you're telling.
No, no, the fun part to begin. So let's. Yeah.
Yep. So, Sagar, your rapid fire round starts, and here is the first question. Your
uh-huh.
favorite trailblazer in India? Don't
Atul.
mention the names. I'm about to tell that.
Uh-huh. Okay, yeah, please go ahead.
Okay.
No, no, you
So,
can. What is the criteria?
so the filters are don't mention the names from this panel and from our daily developer.
Okay, so I think one of my favorite is Dan Appleman. I'm not sure if you guys have
Yeah,
heard
yeah.
about more about him, right? I think his work in Salesforce community is highly, really amazing. And Gaurav sir, Kavindra sir, Rajiv Patel. I think he's really amazing, right? Whenever we connect with him, I connect with him. Um,
Yes.
these are really amazing peoples, and it's like if I'm mentioning some name, it doesn't mean that rest are not. It's like everyone is tremendous and I'm so much in affected by or influenced by these all of them in one way or the other way, right? It's really amazing.
Awesome. Sagar. So, second question. If not Salesforce and AI, which technology you would like to work?
Oh, well, I will be working on Amazon Web Services. Or if you want to take, let me make your question a little more interesting. If I would not be even into the computer science, I would have been into the biotechnology. Means like I was into biology a lot, but my father is a doctor. He's in Indian Air Force. My brother is he's in M Pharma. He's working in a private firm right now. So I'm from a those medicine background. So I was very much into it. I knew all those drugs and all those things which used to be there. With respect to the health, with respect to how the nature is and all. So I was very interested in, and yep.
That's really unique and good to know.
Thank you.
Okay. Your third question. Choose one. Talent
Yeah.
Central or Impact Salesforce Saturday?
Of course, it's gonna be Talent Central. Impact Salesforce Saturday is really has already made a significant impact into the community and is already making it. Talent Central is what is make just started to make that impact, and we really want I think if it is success, I think it is success for everyone, just like the Impact Salesforce Saturday,
It's just a
or
win-win
just
situation.
like the Mentorship Central here.
Exactly. So your another question. which Salesforce product you would like to explore rather than Einstein AI? Can I
Well,
give you a recommendation?
yes, sir. Sesha's recommendation. I think we should build a tool like that.
Einstein Prediction Builder is competing with Shesha Prediction Builder.
Right. No, Einstein.
So
I'm not sure if you guys have heard about it, but Einstein recommendation is also coming in. Stay
yeah,
tuned
yeah,
for
yeah.
it. Yep. Yep.
I think it is in Marketing Cloud feature, right?
Einstein recommendation is more of a like it's like a or it will sit on top of not top of it but related to the prediction builder, right? And it will be really interesting. But yeah, a part of it recommendation builder you can see it into another other platforms as well, which is already there. Yeah.
Okay. My recommendation is learn Einstein Analytics because people were confusing between Einstein AI and Analytics, and
Man,
I think you got all these questions.
I can't even share my LinkedIn messages right now or the Telegram message. You know, man, people are really confused with Einstein Analytics and the Einstein AI part of it, right? And I receive a lot of questions on the dashboards. So it's really interesting to know the questions and the type of it. I even started once learning the data flows and all, but I was as always I was into the development, so that is also a type of development. But yeah, I didn't moved into it. Yeah, but I would go with the blockchain. That is something which is really interesting, and those are who are actually enthusiasts, I would really suggest you to go for the blockchain as well. It's really it will be really booming. Recently, there was a patent filed by US. I'm not sure what which department, but a lot of things are happening with blockchain, Bitcoin into the picture. So you guys, it's like the new students, right? Of course, um, I'm also into your category, but but you guys can actually go for it. Yeah, it's really an amazing new platform which is there out there, right? And
Like,
start from the basics. um, Go for those old books, old traditional documents.
so do you think DBMS is the prerequisite for blockchain? Your opinion?
Absolutely, I think DBMS is not just a prerequisite for blockchain. It is a prerequisite for everything. If you want to get a
Salesforce itself.
hands-on, yeah, if you want to get some hands-on of Salesforce, you don't know what exactly is database, how you connect one data table to another data table, what are the keys, how will you know about the relationship, right?
Mhm.
Or if you're working on a project, of course everywhere there is Salesforce, right? But there are databases as well, right? And you might want to connect with databases. Now there itself you need the knowledge of databases, right? And if you don't, you have to gain it. So what will happen is if you're a team of 5 developers and the project came in, and then you are just sitting there and you want to grab it so hard that you want to work on that Oracle, right? Or you want to work on that specific technology, right, specific product of it, but you don't have that knowledge, you will be second or third in that row, which ideally you should not, right? You should be just standing there commanding like, yeah, I know about it, I did this, I did that, right? All those things, you should be ready about it. And that's what I think, I believe, not just DBMS, business intelligence is also a very important part of everyone's day night, right now, whether you are a developer or anyone, right? It should be there. And that's it, man. You should have the knowledge of JavaScript as well.
You are a true evangelist of developer. No, I don't think this.
Thanks, man.
Yes. And so your penultimate question, Sagar. So you have to be really quick for these questions.
Uh-huh.
So one word, I will name a few of our trailblazers. So you have to give one word answers to them. So whatever the word that strikes in your mind after listening these people's name, you have to
Mhm.
give that one word. No more explanations and no anything else.
Okay, I should not be diplomat about it, right? That's what you're trying to say.
Yeah, just one word.
Okay,
Mostly positive
so
or negative, anything. So
yeah,
Arjun
yeah.
Gupta,
Amazing leader. He's a true leader, man. Honestly,
Sushant,
Sushant is a good friend.
Vishal,
Vishal is an fine guy whose vision is very clear, right? Yeah.
Gaurav Ketpal,
Gaurav Khetrapal is a blockbuster guy. I think what else, right? He's a blockbuster guy. Look at his credentials. The way he started from mobile guy, right? And then now at a stage where he's carrying 31 certification. You know, you cannot. I think I'm just talking about it. So yeah.
Yes. Rupesh Bhatia.
Rupesh Bhatia is very inspiring guy. He's really an inspiration.
Om Prakash.
Om Prakash is multi-talented and really optimistic trailblazer. He's he's really innovative. I think I just added a lot of things there, but yeah, that's true.
So lastly, Sesha.
Sesha, I knew about it. Sesha is an emerging leader. I think he's he's a true face of the emerging trailblazers. Um, we can see a lot of things from him, the way he takes things up and the way he appreciates the moments. That's what matters a lot, right? Oh, you want to hear more about you?
So to add
Yeah.
on to add on to that, Sagar, so uh, Shesha has a lot of hidden talent.
Okay, can you dance?
Uh,
No. I'm
so
a robot.
yeah,
I can't.
he can dance. He can dance. Uh, he's a lover boy.
Yeah, I know about you. From
Suresh
his
Anna, the
questions
session
only
is
I can.
recording.
Come on, man! You asked me for a kind of like what was the plate?
So honestly, Sagar, to put the things into a fun way, so we have introduced this rapid fire as you know. So here is the last question for you in the chart.
Yep. Okay.
So it is a tongue twister. So before you answer, I mean you do it, I will repeat it for you. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the wish the wish, which wishes the word
Uh,
wish to wish. So you have to
bro.
do it for at least 5 times.
I wish to wish the wish you wish to
We will
wish, but
sleep.
if you
That must slow. You are
the
telling.
wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to
Sagar, you have
wish.
to be quick.
I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the wish, Bichara, bro, seriously, man.
Sagar.
I can write a line of code and then your speaker will speak that for you like how many times you want.
That's really awesome, Sagar. We had this good 10 minutes of time, rapid fire. Just because of fun, because it is everywhere it is not happening good, and mental state of mind is not good. So make the things into simple. So that's why it is fun
Yeah,
actually.
absolutely. This matters a lot, right? We all have been you know into this unfortunate times, and we really forget the definition of good and bad right now because truly it's bad right now. But still, whenever someone asks us, we say that yeah, I'm good, I'm very good. So far, it's going great and all right. But the real definition, we have long forgotten about it.
Yes. Thanks, Sagar.